This thing that looks like a ridiculous mess is egg whites and cornstarch on top of that chocolate batter. I'm going to show you how to fold, okay? By folding, you don't want to mix it in and stir it because you want to keep those air bubbles in the egg whites intact as much as possible. You're trying to blend it a little, but make it really, really delicate, okay? So what you do is you put your spatula down into the batter like that, and then, whoops, I knew that would happen. And then you bring it up from the bottom and fold it over. So it's a scooping motion, rather fast. That was rather slow, but I'll show you what it looks like. Down, up, down, up. So you slice right across it and then around the edge. Slice right across the middle, around the edge. Right across the middle, around the edge. Don't stir it. It's never going to be fully incorporated. Down. That was just me scraping the edge. Promise. Down, around, down, around, down, around, down, around. Okay? So I'm going to do that a couple more times. It should only take a couple minutes. And it's not going to be completely blended. See how that isn't completely blended? I might have actually even mixed it a little bit more than I needed to.